Dmitry Krugov. I'm a CEO and co-founder of Koba application. And Koba is a mobile application who includes holistic approach in the rehabilitation. So people can get physical rehabilitation, mental health rehabilitation, and cognitive rehabilitation in one place. So our main goal to give people personalized experience where they can get simple and daily actions to recover. You can imagine it as like Duolingo, daily steps for great power. It's really a big problem now. There's like millions of Ukrainians who suffer, who need rehabilitation, and for us it's really a personal pain. My co-founder's father, a lot of our friends joined the army and returned from front line. We started helping them to rehabilitate, but there's a lot of problems in this. It's almost like nightmare because it's hard to find good specialists. It's critical demand. The system overloaded.
The medical system, right?
Yeah. If you want to get really quality and combined help, it's only private and it costs a lot and not available in small cities or regions. So yeah, we saw in this potential. We have a lot of expertise in rehabilitation, in medicine, in our teammates, and we decided to make it simple and easy path to recovery, so people get affordable and accessible solution to rehabilitate in all areas what they need. From our experience, the biggest problem is that they don't know what to do. They don't know how they can react. A lot of them think that it's very hard, or expensive, etc. A lot of problems. But we show them that it can be easy and gamified. So you can do small steps every day with some exercises for some trainings, exercises for mental health, some meditations, exercises for cognitive development, and with these daily steps they can get big impact and reintegrate to the normal life. They can reduce PTSD, stress, and feel better. So it's our way, I think, to show for people that it's available. They can do this, first of all.
As a young man in Ukraine, how do you cope with the situation?
Yeah, it was hard, of course, at the beginning especially, and no one did know what to do, and we tried anything where we can be useful. It's challenging, but after years you are adapting. Your psychological state also adapts, and you, after this adaptation, you continue your stuff, you're doing business, and etc. And you see that life is going on next, and on and on, and the one thing you can do important, it's live and make some impact, make some useful things, and help other people. And it helped. It is helping a lot. This mission to help to make impact.
How do you see an acceptable peace plan?
It would be great to return to previous borders, to to be sure that we will be protected in future from new aggressions and get already freedom, what we want to get, and decide by our way what to do, how to move, and what alliances we would join.